Welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to give contact access to your Facebook profile, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app and then come to the menu section by tapping on these three lines on the top right corner, and then tap at this gear to open up settings and privacy. Once you come to settings and privacy, you will have to scroll down a little bit until you get the option of device permission. It's in the your activity option. Here you find that option, device permissions. Just simply tap on it. That's where you can easily find the contact option to allow to your Facebook app. And just simply here you can see it says not allowed. For allowed, just simply tap at see information, tap at update settings, and tap at open device settings. It will redirect you to your mobile phone settings. Here you can see that. Just tap at permissions on the second number. So that's where you can easily find the option of contact, just in not allowed section on the very top. At first it show you the permissions which you have allowed to your Facebook app, and at second number in not allowed section it has showed that which things you have not allowed to your Facebook profile. You can like allow contact by tapping at contacts and tap at allow. That's how you can easily allow contact to your Facebook profile. So if you also want to give access to location, like microphone or nearby devices, or you can give these all. So that's how you can easily like allow or give access to your Facebook profile for your contacts. So I hope it's helped you guys, and if you want a tutorial, just leave in comment section below and I'll be catching you on the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel, and if you think that this video helped you, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, goodbye.